In the capital of the country, the symbol of Nowruz, Sumanak, has been put with triumph and pomposity. After gaining international status by the United Nations Organization and UNESCO, on the globe Sumanak has been chosen as a symbol of Nowruz with the inscription International Nowruz Day. Annually, due to worthy celebrations, the International Nowruz holiday, the streets and avenues are decorated by the initiated executive body and state authority Dushanbe City. The streets and avenues must be decorated in a particular way. After the confirmation, the project decoration works have begun and the official figures have achieved significant results. The Nowruzi tablecloth, which is laid, consists of 10 meters and its width is 6 meters. According to custom and old tradition Navruz celebration, there is placed half seen and half sheen. The decoration structure of Nowruzi tablecloth depicts supreme cultural values of Tajik nation. The earth and the globe means the holiday as gaining international status. The symbol International Nowruz celebration and this national holiday consist of 7 layers, have been confirmed by President of the Republic of Tajikistan since 2019. Represents the content of rotation and the universe. A range of constructive works have been implemented in the capital in the threshold Nowruz celebration. Due to worthy celebration Nowruz holiday, 88,000 seasonal flowers, 340,000 tulip flowers, 100,000 daunting and shadowy, more than 300 unique trees have been planted in streets and avenues, Shohmansur area, Dushanbe City. The slogan Happy Nowruz will be installed nearby Ismail Samani statue. The installation slogans and banners, planting decorative and daunting flowers, as well as other constructive projects, is taking place in Dushanbe City that tells about the approach of Nowruz holiday.